Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlie and today I'm bringing to you a tag. This tag was created by Francesca here on YouTube and on Instagram. Hi Francesca, thank you for tagging me. I'm going to link her video and her channel down below so you can go ahead and watch their video. And the name of the tag is my 3 worst luxury purchases ever, and it's about telling and showing 3 of your worst purchases. And I'm decided to break it into categories, so I'm going to do bags, accessories and clothes. So for the first item is clothes, and it's this shirt from Burberry. I got this on my attempt of dressing a little bit more normal or manlier, which I think it didn't work because I was like, well, I'm growing up, I should have stopped to dress like fun and I should be more serious, right? So I went and bought me a Burberry shirt because I thought that that was like the serious look. But honestly, you guys, I have worn this like twice maybe, and it's already damaged. I sent it to the dry cleaners and one of the buttons pop and it's faded because of the dry clean. So this is a big no for me. I wear more stuff like this vintage jacket that was like $7 at the Goodwill, but this, you guys, a waste of money. It pains me to look at this in my closet and think about all the things that I could purchase with this. So the lesson is wear what makes you happy and go for what you love. And for the next category I'm going to choose bags, and I already showed you my Balenciaga tote that it was a waste of money because it's super wear off and it's like slouchy and it's not functional at all. So I already showed you that, but I have another Balenciaga piece. This hobo, I believe this is the biker bag, but this is in the hobo style. I used to have also the biker bag because of all of the supermodels like Kate Moss, and all of them have the bags, right? So I needed the bag, I got the bag, and now regretted it because this is so poor quality, you guys. This is seriously the worst bag ever. It doesn't have any structure, the leather scratch super easily, the piping and the varnishing is all wear off. Balenciaga is such terrible quality. I think Balenciaga is great for the clothes, but not for the bags. So sadly, I'm not going to add any more bags from houses like Balenciaga or Prada or those types of brands that haven't worked for me and for my lifestyle. So lesson learned. For the third item, I chose accessories, and I'm going to show you another Burberry piece. I hope that now that Ricardo Ticci is the creative director, they change, because I purchased this because I thought that it was cute, and I thought that I was going to wear this a lot with my jackets and with plain white shirts. It's super ginormous. It's like a scarf, but it's giant, and I never wore this. Not one single time I have worn this because it's too big. Like, I mean, where I am going to wear this? Like, I know it may look cute in pictures, but it's not cute in real life, and I live in a very hot city. It's always super hot here, so you cannot wear scarves anywhere really. The winter is not really cold, so I know it kind of looks cute right now, but it's not really cute in real life, you guys. It's a lot. I already can feel how it's hitting me, and I don't like that.
One eternity later.
Oh my guys, I'm so clumsy. I totally erased the last part of the video and I forgot to do an outro and I forgot to ask you to subscribe to my channel. I'm a mess today, but this is Beatrice, this is my daughter. She was the one who threw the lag right there. But that's it for my 3 worst luxury purchases. Thank you for tagging us, Francesca, and don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on my Instagram. And see you later. Bye.